Hey everyone, Emily with Grand Design. Thank you for tuning into this special RVillage series that we are going to do today. We're going to talk about some very simple, easy, quick aftermarket upgrades that you can do that are from Lippert Components. We're here with an Imagine XLS, and we will go through and show you how to do these upgrades and kind of talk through a few things. So this is Sean, he's from Lippert.
Hello.
And he's going to point out some of the really awesome things that these upgrades do for you. So take it.
We're going to kind of focus on the entry door today. We have a solid step, we have a handrail, we've got a screen defender for your pets. We've got a screenshot that we can do an upgrade on for the door to close, self-close. We've got a couple of things that we can show you as well. And we'll just go from there and just kind of walk you guys through the whole process.
Sounds good. Stay tuned and we'll get going on that.
Okay, so a couple of other upgrades that I wanted to show you today that kind of fit in along with what's going on here is that we have a thin shade. This is a complete window thin shade kit. So you'll have to remove your entire window and then install the new one and then have a shade that pulls down so that you can block some light out and give you a little bit more privacy. The other thing that we have here is called the screenshot, which is a very popular option that we've had so far and a lot of success with. It will automatically pull your screen door closed. So if you have a couple items in your hand and you're walking outside, you can open the door, and when you walk past, it'll pull the door shut for you. So that's a very popular option, screenshot. Our next thing here is our screen defender. So for our fur pets that we have, fur friends, to help block the screen so that they don't, walk through it or mess it up. It's a metal mesh screen protector that we can show you as well. So a couple of nice items that we have here and very quick and easy installs. Okay, so with Screen Defender here that we just installed, it comes with instructions, step by step, comes with all the parts that you're gonna need. There's some extra things here depending on how your door is set up. That comes with the kit. You may not even need any of these. So for this installation actually, was very simple. We have the correct length on there, the correct dimension, and we just popped it into one side, and as you can see, it just went right in and fit very nicely. All right, up next we have our thin shade. So for this application, we're gonna remove the old window, and then we're gonna replace it with the new, with another window that has the thin shade inside of it. One thing to note on this thin shade install is before you go to install it, is there's a little tempered imprint here. Make sure that faces the outside. It'll just keep everything faced the right way. Okay, so on this shroud install, one thing also to take note is that you're gonna have a thinner part down at the bottom and the thicker part at the top. The reason being is when you slide that shade up, it's gonna hide your shade. So it won't be dangling in the way. So that's one thing to remember, thick on top. Okay, so on the installation for the shade now, this is your little grab handle here for the shade. Just a reminder that keep it on top, obviously, and it'll just go like that. And then on your window, they're gonna have the tabs that will stick out. So make sure all four are sticking out or facing you. And then when you go to install it, you wanna close them. Okay, so just as a reminder, just wanna make another mention of the product installation manuals and how to fit up guides that are on our lci1.com website. It's there if you can search it for like Screenshot or Screen Defender, whatever product you pull up. We have YouTube videos now that you can see if you need a little bit of assistance putting the item together or figuring out how to measure. We have all of those as well on our website, lci1.com.
Well, thanks everybody. Thank you, Sean and Liver
Thank you, Emily, for
Components. These are some really quick, easy, affordable upgrades that you can do, and they can be available for fifth wheels, travel trailers, anything, right?
Yeah, pretty much, mainly your towable units for the RV upgrades.
All right. So thank you so much for tuning in, and enjoy. Happy camping.
Thank you.